How to set up your new Siemens EQ700 and enjoy your first coffee specialty. Your new Siemens EQ700 is ready for its first use. So let's wake it up! The display lights up and you can select your preferred language. The system will guide you through the process. You can choose to integrate your appliance to your Home Connect network and the operation mode it should run on. Use the testing strip in your starter kit to check the water hardness. Just briefly dip it into fresh tap water and wait 5 minutes to determine the water hardness. Select the level of your water hardness on the screen and press Continue. Remove the water tank. Fill it to the maximum level with pure cold water. And add in your favorite choice of coffee beans. With the rotary selector, you can change the grinding level. Place a small container under the outlet system, because every time you switch on your Siemens EQ700, it will do a quick cleaning process. Now you can fill the milk container. And it's up to you to choose your very first coffee. So what will it be? A freshly brewed espresso or a smooth cappuccino?
Siemens, the future moving in.